Alright guys, I'm pretty bored today after school, so I'm back here with another video, and today is, if I can show you guys, this is the LEGO Ideas pickup truck from, I would say, probably 2021. It's very cool. It's got a lot of really cool, like, detail here. You can see the detail they have here. You can also see, you know, the interesting thing about it is how interesting it looks. And the one thing about it is that you can't fix it, but just see. So yeah, you can actually open this up and then look at there inside. You can see, got a little thing there. You on the back here is this. You actually open this down and then you can put it back up. But then you have these fences here that you can remove. And you can see it looks very cool. This is a really cool pickup truck. Life scale. It doesn't look suspicious for the sake of it. It looks very cool. Very cool. I really like this. You can actually open up the doors here. And they're very interesting. It's no wonder this is pretty cool kind of build. There's not much play features, however, there is this one where you do have the wheel that can turn, except for the fact that it doesn't really turn at the moment. But what you do here usually is you, top is not removable, but you can open up the door here and just stick your finger in there, and then you can see here at the front that there's this. And so yeah. So this is the pickup truck. There's other accessories that they actually are in the set as well. And I won't show you guys these up close, but we actually have a wheelbarrow, pumpkins, got milk as well. We also have the apples and carrots, and then you see like that, these kind of things here, so I think that looks pretty cool. They also got a reef too, and yeah. There you guys go. So that was the pickup truck video. So like and subscribe. See you in the next one. So if I can, I'm gonna possibly do my thank you cards, so I have to fix those, but yeah, anyways. Okay.